Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the atomic structure chapter, students. Okay. So, firstly, let us try to have what is meaning of the atoms, right? An atom is a smallest constituent unit of ordinary matter that constitute a chemical reaction, that constitute a chemical elements, you can say, that constitute a chemical elements. So that is, an atom is the smallest constituent unit or the ordinary matter that constitute a chemical elements. Okay, they are saying atom are extremely smart particle. Atoms are extremely small particle. And now they are saying Dalton atomic theory, right, student? We are going to understand that is Dalton atomic theory. So proposed by John Dalton in 1808, student. Proposed by John Dalton in 1808. This is what the point. Proposed by John Dalton in 1808. So every matter is composed of small tiny particles which is individual known as atoms. Okay. What the point is, student? Every matter is composed of small tiny particles which is individual known as atoms. So that is, every matter is composed of a small tiny particle. Okay, every matter is composed of a small tiny particle which is individual known as atoms. That you keep in mind, student. Who said this one? That is Dalton, 1808. What he said, atoms is every matter is composed of a small tiny particle which is indivisible known as atoms. Now atoms are fundamental particles of matter which takes part in the chemical reaction. That is what the second point. Atoms are fundamental particles of matter which taken part in the chemical reaction. Next, the atoms of the same elements are identical in size, mass, in other properties in all respect. Okay, so atoms of same elements are identical in size, mass, in other properties in all respect. Now the atoms of different elements are differ by mass, size and properties. The atoms of different elements are differ by mass, size and properties, right, student? So atoms of different elements can combine in simple ratio to form compounds. Atoms of different elements can combine in simple ratio to form compound. Okay, atoms of different elements can combine in simple ratio to form compound. Next point is, student, failure or limitation of Dalton theory. Failure or limitation of Dalton's theory. That is the second point. What is the failure or limitation of Dalton's theory, student? So atoms of same elements are differ by mass. In case of isotopes, you go, student. Atoms of same elements are differ by mass. In case of isotope, like N1H1, 1H2, 1H3 isotopes. So that is what they said. That is, atoms of same elements are similar by mass. But in case of isotope, they are the differ by mass. Atoms of same element, they are the atoms of hydrogen, but this is protium, deuterium, tritium, so they are the isotope, but that gone fail. Atoms of different element can be similar by mass. Atoms of different element can be similar by mass. That is the second point. That is, there are, in the case of isobars, student, in case of isobars, the atoms of same element can be similar by mass. That is carbon, nitrogen, 14, argon, calcium and potassium. They have the atoms of different element, but mass are, you see, that is 40. And here is xenon is there, student, that is 130, and barium is 130. So that is what atoms are indivisible into some, it's some subatomic particle, electron, proton and neutron. That is what the point. Next, now the fundamental particle of matter which electron, proton and neutron. So earlier, that is what Dalton was saying, that the fundamental particle is the atom. Nowadays what we said, that is fundamental particle of matter is electron, proton and neutron, students, right? So what we are going to understand, students, subatomic particles. Okay, so atom consists of the smaller particle like electron, proton, neutron and antineutrino, positron, antiproton, this one, meson, etc. Electron, proton, neutrons are considered as the fundamental particle. Okay, so let us try to understand discovery of electron. Okay, so how the discovery of electron is based on the cathode rays, students. Okay, so what we that is Michael Faraday did a experiment students where he selected that is discharge tube. Okay, and he filled the gas very low pressure gas student 10 power minus 4 atm, and then anode and cathode are there, and 1000 volts high voltage they pass. So what they find that is some rays are coming from the cathode students. So move the straight line, cathode rays are coming. Okay, and what that is glow when hit the phosphorescent or fluorescent material, magnetic field towards the south pole, in electric field towards the anode. Cathode rays contain negative charge particle called electron. Okay, G.J. Stein in 1891 gives the name electron and removed the name cathodes. Okay, J.J. Thomson was the discovered electron as a fundamental particle. So who discovered the electron? That is J.J. Thomson student. So what they find student, they find that is the electron is coming out from the cathode. Okay, that is cathode rays are coming out from the cathode, and when they studied the properties of these rays, they find that is these rays are made up of the small particle that are known as what student? Electron. So this is all about the cathode rays students and the Dalton's atomic model. Thank you so much for watching friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment students. Thanks students.